Get some of that herbal remedy in there, man, you know what I mean? It's one muscle that don't get used, and that's the old... What a view. Bold nugget, you know, bold nugget, a bold nugget. Did you hear my Crocs squeak then? No. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you don't know me, my name's Mike, and this is my camper van, Wazza Bozza. We're in a place called Corbett Woods. Nice little location, actually. I'm here for work. It's in Shrewsbury, with really nice panoramic views, as you can see from the drone shots there. 360 all around from here. And in today's video, we're just gonna chill, guys, like we do. Relaxation, slow down the pace of life a little bit in these woods, listening to the birds. Might go for a little stroll, cook up a nice bit of grub later on, and some evening entertainment, which I haven't decided yet. Might be a bit of gaming, might be a bit of Netflix. Who knows? The world is my oyster. I had to get straight into cooking, guys. I was absolutely starving, I won't lie. So, standard procedure, the old chicken curry, but this time tikka boy. Mixing it up, and Jesus, not a comma. This is one of the best parts about cooking in Lozzie, you know. Just while you're letting, you know, cooking do its thing, simmering away, you just get to listen to all the birds and just the nature around you, you know. This is my kind of kitchen, man. Hopefully you can hear the birds in that as well. What kitchen do you get that? You just don't. Unless you're doing this. Tiny bit of old sauce. I can imagine this place is a busy little spot for dog walkers and that. Quite eager to have a little look down after dinner. Looks like a really nice view over there from that drone shot as well. It looks like there's a viewpoint and also a little trail that goes down through the woods. And apparently there's some old sandstone cliff edges that used to be an old quarry, I think. Right, one thing I have been getting into just recently after doing a bit of research on it is herbs. Now, not the old puffing away kind, I mean herbs you put in your food. So I've got rosemary, sage and thyme here. So they've got a lot of properties that can actually really help my Crohn's condition. So rosemary's going to be a really good anti-inflammatory, so I'm trying to add it to as much food as possible. Helps with memory, cognition, function, mood. Quite a lot of benefits that I never put any sort of herbs in my food, so man's up in his game, you know. Get some of that herbal remedy in there, man, you know what I mean? I don't know why I went all Jamaican, it's nothing to do with that. Dinner's coming along nicely, lads. I've been smashing the gym 3 days on the bounce. Today, I was like, I don't want to film because I felt really wrecked. I did legs this morning and I smashed the granny out of them. Man's going to be struggling to walk next couple of days. But yeah, I've been hitting it really hard. I think just to try and help me mentally, you know. Some days it's a bit difficult in Lozzie and I feel that I need it, you know. So there's a lot of me that aches right now. My chest, my biceps, my thighs, my shoulders, and my legs will soon be aching. It's just one muscle that don't get used, and that's the old... Right, it's time to eat, mate. Let's see what this is saying. Tasty, guys. Right, now the old food's gone down, done the chores. It's time for a little stroll around these woods, I think. So I'm going to get my hiking boots on and then let's go. Woo! Right, let's have a little look about then. Cute music, go. Yo! That was a nice little stroll. I think it's time to make a green tea because I found a lovely little viewpoint over there which I want to take you guys to, and we are just going to chill. Let's do that. That viewpoint I just saw when I walked past, I didn't film it when we was out there because it was quite a nice little special place, and I thought, do you know what? That is the best place to sit, have a brewski and just enjoy the simple things with you guys. And that is tea in hand, taking in the view with a nice bit of music that I put over the top when I edit it, and then we just relax and chill, guys. Woosah moment coming up. Oh, here we are. Look at that. I mean, you can see for miles there, guys, can't you? Brewski, cheers. What a view. You know, sometimes it's the simplest moments that stay with you, right? Just sitting here, tea in hand, taking in that view. No noise, no rush, just space to breathe. It's pretty epic, isn't it? It's funny, we spend so much time chasing big adventures, but half the magic is just in these quiet pauses. A bench, a brew, and the world just slowing down around you. It's beautiful. I think that's what I love about being outdoors the most, you know. It reminds you to appreciate the small things. A bit of sunshine, a bird flying past, the first sip of that hot drink when the air's a little bit chilly, you know. Turn the face you a bit more so you can see me. Well, it's not about seeing me, is it? Let's be honest, it's about seeing that. If you're watching this at home, I hope this reminds you to find a moment like this in your life. Doesn't matter where, in the woods, in a park, even in your garden. Just a moment to switch off and admire a view. Cheers to the simple moments. These are the ones that matter. Although, if you're anything like me, by the time you get around to drinking your tea, it's cold because you've been admiring the view for so long. I thought I'd do this so you're sitting next to me on the old bench now. Cheers again. And I'm just going to imitate you looking around to the view at the same time. Ready? Go. Now, doesn't that make you feel like you're sitting next to me? Yeah, looking at the view. A little bit of grounding while I'm at it. It's meant to be good for you. Might as well. Grounding and a view. As I sat here, little shout out to you, mate. In love and memory. Well, we have arrived back at old Loza Boza. That was a really peaceful, relaxing little viewpoint. This little woods has surprised me a bit. You know, when you come to somewhere that you've not been before and you don't know what to expect. I quite like the variety on the little walk around with the big sandstone cliffs. You know, and there's a lot of thin alleyways that really give it some dense foliage and stuff. It's like really cool. And then, yeah, that nice little viewpoint at the end just topped it off. I think it's time to take the hat off, guys. Get the old bold nug out, you know, bold nug, get the old bold nug out. Well, I haven't actually decided what I'm going to do this evening yet, but I know one thing. Whatever it is, I'm going to be doing it in bed because I'm tired. So I'm going to go and put the bed down. Did you hear my Crocs squeak then? Probably not. That tickled me. Let's move the old throne out the way. Right. Ta-da! I may just lay here for a while. Guys, I'm wrecked. Too much gym, not enough rest. Right, so I think it's time to switch over from natural light, because there ain't a lot of it left, to the old lantern. So let's do that, shall we? So I decided to boot the ROG up, guys. Now, I haven't played Black Myth Wukong in a long time, so thinking I might give that a little dabble. God, it was so long ago when I played this. Where did I leave it? What was I doing? What's the buttons? Right, X is attack. the fire damage he does is a joke. Right, this time it's happening. No, I can't play that game anymore. It's just stressing me out. I haven't played the game in so long, forgotten what I was doing, where I was going, what the buttons are. It's just, yeah, not in the frame of mind for that right now. So I'm gonna relax and just read a bit of my Kindle, I think. Or not, eh? Well, that's enough of that. I think it's time for bed, guys. Well, thanks for joining me on another little adventure, and your small one. I hope you've enjoyed, guys, and as always, I appreciate you giving me your time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to get your wag on. Wake up, nature, and game. Mike out. Night, guys.